have published a detailed report which they back with medical records showing that the flag bearer of the new patriotic party, Nana Akufo-Addo, is suffering from 3 serious ailments: prostate cancer, what they call acute kidney injury, and a blockage in his coronary artery.
Have been given the authority of the states to crack down on this criminality. For you to be talking about NDC people who are engaged in illegal mining actually underscores your uselessness, because you are sick, you have all the powers. You are the commander-in-chief. You have placed your presidency on the line to fight illegal mining. I'm talking about President Akufo-Addo. And people are destroying our water bodies, okay, such that today we all face imminent extinction. And what is your response?
Akufo-Addo, ne hune ne bra na obre no said na ban we e bre eni said na nimasi aguase. What na say ko e won tan hu no. Wo shadam eni wuo nko anim guase nko because wo beji o man na wu dwa wanum papa panimu a wanyina duru se hwe ba bia wo mfie du na wu dwa wanum kan sama kese what you say enipa wo boaye ema $1 ye 1 cedi no no Dr. Bawumia ntidien fu no me betete so ye tisika so e komode ye enumudwa papa wanyina duru se wo petumi ne dia ye dey o petumi no e dia bema na busuafo ayete se British monarch no mo na mo kasa tumi wo won enti ene civil society nina no akatum including even Occupy Ghana. I work like a bull, and then you don't work like a bull again. Where are you? It's Ankama. Where are you? I work like a bull now. Church I'll come today. Come and work like a bull. When you know Makamanu Adentia, because a detector or done in what to say where you guama or the asumdie and nam because of who say President Mills na humbrasie and the man Ghana for to abama no enti no okote akire din no hu say ya to abana ma President Mills ya nto amame na che say President Mills na humbrasie no and the man Ghana for to na me so me ko na 2016 ma beye me ho te say me so me wa humbrasie na Akufo-Addo e de ni dwe na ne wo de kire ye no wo de to dem na o fa ogwamata de hye no by the battle is the Lord, the battle is the Lord. Sana na busuafo na ekoma e de wo mo no because me ti krom ha I saw Gabriel Ocheredakun before MPP came into office. And then the minim Gabriel Ocheredakun okotena ad hoc committee a chef space kama na body say ekotiekire no ho akire committee members no as if say ono na ye to abama no as president. And then omo kasa omo boso because omotimi ada Ghana fo agitumi e de enrich omo ho ni omo family. Wo ba ye wan fa bi ama President Akufo-Addo see project ba akukura wo krom ha. John Mahama na usi ni tirewu. John Mahama also were corrupt. John Mahama also were kototo hotel e wo Dubai. John Mahama wo say ne yire e ne check contract. John Mahama wo demonize na ma Ghana for that time ani no. Enya adwene ekosi sagleme. Enya adwene si circle. Enya adwene esi e-blocks. All over the country, AC polyclinics, AC Senate Hospital, AC University Hospital, AC Ridge Hospital. Quine, just a normal President Mahama, who Akufo-Addo buy one district, one factory. Chile factory in Israel. Up till now, Mikojoma, me to too many say, and come project, if anything, product. Be a one district, one factory, you know. A produce wojoma, metimi yisika tobi. Say, oh, you see, one district, one factory, Ghana, hire me a producer, idea way. Mako market, one will be. Catch me, Papa, Wadaroma, who will be your apart from a kumfi juice. A kumfi juice, it's very hard to get. It's one district, one factory, you know. A dear body and I, a dear employment in a diaba. And for example, most of be watermelon factory or wale factory ye mi anokra akawurem to say there's agreement akawurem no it is a John Mahama be di o man so now within 4 years what to me see agreement 1,500 affordable housing. Now I bet na so 6 years. Now when you bibi amawasi a wasan ba no koro no. Oh, ukọ kasa sisi ya na wa no kwachia pe yesu didi pani atem. But the entimu Ghana for the president Akufo-Addo tikrom anti oyin. Enti ye. Oman a ye chichire oman, we are a developing country. Afen ye developing. Now papa ni mu 78 years. Obebeji oman no. Now all that you are interested in. Eya wona na bi bosha o share say obesi cathedral. And went to me and see cathedral into Ubedi president no. O pe kwan bi afaso de see cathedral. Who see cathedral as a country like Ghana? Share Uko Kata. Kata ne kakraka nyina te senka. They are about 2 million population. What you say? Look, they have designed the country into what they are buy na won't me nyahwe no. Focus on Accra and make Accra the cleanest city like you promised. And they see and the krukurum ha. One of my street lights unhubi. Everything a cop. President Mahama Hono ya re-asphalting of the roads. Ubeduru na kwan no potholes ni nyina ni aye na kama. Oba na oba review contract, wo twa contract ni. Enne ya kwan nyina enka wona makra o. E chense de wonam some village bi. Akwan ni nyina etutu. Wo beji o man na sei no. De wodo sabe som bi ana waton no wadi no ma cheska no. Who are the people behind Sagleme? Who are those who want to sell? I just want to know the people who have interest in buying Sagleme. Who are those people? And they have a broader consultation and and some or more coming to the agreement on person more ton Sagleme. It is good cause President Mahama engage the CSOs. No what you imagine they are top on so. No what be on your opportunity na oba abemua. Or no so one tier or tesono. Now can be akere now no so na so den and na so wonu so hu bi enti ye ka kire no so onyu opportunity no time ba no be twice house or din so na me dead goat na oba no be keka bi ma ono ne de be ya bloody me ka kire ne
come out. People would comment on that. The comment made by my opponent, Addo Sakawa people. I've not heard any public figure in this country, independent, yourselves or anybody, comment on it. It's completely unacceptable. If I was to get up to make a comment about Northerners or Gunjas, you can imagine the uproar that would be in the country. Presidential candidate, a former president of Ghana, you can call a group of Ghanaians Sakawa people, and it involves the group for which the sitting president comes, and that comment goes without, that statement goes without comment. And at the same time, we hear these statements. Let's all try and bring the politics of insults to an end, etc., etc. Occasions are given where specific comments can be made. Nothing happens. And then it's lost. It's lost in the generalities. We need to focus on this matter in an even-handed way. I get the impression that because of the unfortunate, in some ways, authoritarian origins of our state in its area, where it was considered dangerous to criticize government, the pendulum has now swung the other way, where government is the only group you can criticize. If you criticize government, no matter what you say, is legitimate. If government was to respond, that's somehow illegitimate. Media freedom is interpreted as meaning the freedom to criticize others, but you can't criticize the press. If, for instance, they step out of bounds, or they conduct themselves in an irresponsible manner. So all of this, I'm trying to say that it's a package that we all have to look at dispassionately and act on issues when they occur. I'm very, very disturbed by this remark that the former President Mahama made about Achin people as Sakawa people. And I've up till today, I have not heard any senior citizen of this country lay, religious, civil society organization, public think tank, reprimand him for that statement? What can be the basis of such a remark? It's a public act that you have a problem with, fair enough. But that the people who are doing it are given this ethnic branding, it cannot be right. That's the kind of language that we don't want in our politics.
Some kind this as some dear, never for party for flassem. Never me young person metric credit, no me defend the NDC party. Pesa Professor Mr. Sedu, Mr. Sedu, mean defend the party, no make a party nasa, me job party namano. Me over two more NDC move. Or told me, my you to organize our branch, my organizer our branch. I'm not any position already, our NDC move. Read time my pen already, Ade. Again, Naba, and this penny be a new our central region, and for somebody do what Tamwa, Jabba and Makasa, Gabrosa, who are
right. So, yesterday, President John Dramani Mahama was in a meeting with the press and or be passing law be a ebema yena ye juma wo internet so yet to be kasa fini and ya di chere penyefo nyina no obachi sa nkofo ni nyina abusua eno na ya akohwehwem ehun se President John Dramani Mahama ene wo kasa asem we nyina chere Ganafo a ebra wo opposition now your party member were so much involved in this kind of things who can now ujina platform so waka se asem we bi who to crowd to me be one efre President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo say Oye Sakawa offered the whole tribe say obe Sakawa for and the crown President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo didn't take it so much. But ene yakasa tiawa wo si se obi ekasa fi etiawa wo ba bechi sane pa no abusia enti videos na makwampale no biye ne se ne be ya obia behu nia NDC fo e de aye Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo na ene Addo President Mahama so a wo si obi ya obechi nkofo abusia ya me sha obibia